Okay, so I have this equation here. And what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to set all of this equal to 0. So I'm going to move all of this over to the other side. And I have 2w 2/3 minus 3w 1/3 minus 20 equals 0. Sorry, my equal signs don't line up. Okay, and now I'm looking at this, and how do I solve this? I have these weird exponents hanging out here. Now, when I notice weird exponents, one thing comes to mind, and that's U substitution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let U equal w to the 1/3. And if this is correct, when I have u squared, I should get w to the 2/3. So if I square this, that times that is going to give me w to the 2/3. Okay, so now I know I can substitute u over here and u squared for that. So I have 2u squared minus 3u minus 20 equals 0. Now what I'm going to want to do is factor this. Okay, so when I factor it out, I get 2u plus 5 times u minus 4 equals 0. Okay, and then I'm going to use the zero factor property and set each of these equal to 0 and solve. So 2u plus 5 equals 0, u minus 4 equals 0. U is going to equal negative 5 over 2, and this u is going to equal 4. Okay, I solved for u, but I'm not asked for u. I was asked for w. So, u here, u there, I'm going to have to replug w to the 1/3 back in here where u is. So I have w to the 1/3 equals negative 5 over 2. W to the 1/3 equal to 4, because I'm asked to solve for w, not u. Okay, but w is not solved for yet. I still have that 1/3 there. So I'm going to raise this side to the 3rd power. I have to also raise that side to the 3rd power. Those cancel that, and I'm left with w equals 5 to the 3rd power. It's going to be negative 125. 2 to the 3rd power is going to be 8. And then here, I'm going to do the exact same thing. Raise w to the 3rd power and 4 to the 3rd power. That cancels. And I am left with w equals 4 to the 3rd power, which is going to be 64. And those are my answers.